Hi everyone, it's me Micah. Welcome to my channel. And yes, this is a voiceover that doesn't match my mouth. I made this video for a camp and I already cut it, so why not post it here? We're going to make banoffee pie again, but it's better. You know, improvement. We love improvement. So hope you guys enjoy. So what we're going to need is a pack of graham crackers, 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter, a can of condensed milk, a cup of heavy cream, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and of course, our bananas. I used around 8 to 10 pieces. So there are 4 main parts in a banoffee pie: the crust, the dulce de leche, the banana, and the whipped cream. So we're going to do that one by one. Now what we want to do is make some dulce de leche out of some condensed milk. So we're gonna put it in a pan and fill it up with water and then boil it for 3 hours. So while letting this boil for don't touch that. While letting this boil for 3 hours, we're going to make our crust. We're going to start by blending our grahams. So mag-magic lang to. Magic! Okay. We put in the melted butter. Now it resembles wet sand. We can now transfer it to our baking pan. I'm gonna use this poppable baking pan. Look at us. What a wonderful world. Now you let them cool in a wire rack while waiting. Hi, so it's been 3 hours. Now let's check our dulce de leche. Now we have this deep brown color, yay! Now I'm gonna mix some with our bananas, but not like all. It really depends how much sweet you like. You can use the rest of your dulce de leche for coffee. Ay, hala nahulog. For shakes, smoothies. Anywhere else you put milk and sugar, it tastes so much better. Yep. She looks kind of. So now we're going to make the whipped cream. So for now, we're just gonna mix it at a low speed. Now that it's a little thicker, we add in our sugar. Just around a tablespoon. So now we got them soft peaks. Now that we have everything prepared, we can now assemble it. So let's start with our graham cracker, banana, there. Now we refrigerate them overnight. See you tomorrow.
The next day.
Magic. So that is how you make banoffee pie. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Out in outer space, girl. Baby, it's you.
A couple months ago, you found someone you know. I know you moved on from someone new. One more girl who brings out